Welcome to IDEMIUM. In this video, we will take a look at how Allowlisting for macOS works. Allowlisting is considered a top-tier security strategy to stop unknown threats, streamline compliance, and control shadow IT. Unless an application is explicitly allowed, it cannot execute in your environment. As a result, you can very effectively block unwanted software, malware, and ransomware. IDEMIUM macOS agent is very easy to deploy. First of all, you push out an MDM profile to enable privacy settings, and then you can deploy a bash script to your workstations to completely and silently install IDEMIUM agent. Once the agent is installed, you can start enforcing Allowlisting rules and endpoint privilege management rules on your workstations. Let's take a look at this workstation. Some of the applications are explicitly allowed, such as Google Chrome, or native macOS applications such as Photos. We also by default allow macOS updates, so there are no disruptions. However, if users try to download and install unapproved applications, these applications will not execute. As in this case with Notion, if I try to launch this application is blocked. If I navigate to IDEMIUM portal, I can see that application Notion, which is legitimately signed by Notion Labs, is matching a default deny rule and it's not allowed to execute. What I can do, I can create a rule by matching various application attributes and define whether I want to allow or deny this application, what application fencing rules I want to apply, and how I want to elevate this application. IDEMIUM makes managing Allowlisting very simple because we offer a pre-configured catalog where you can navigate, search for Notion, and apply rule with a single click. What this rule will do, and this rule is managed by IDEMIUM team, it will match a legitimately signed Notion Labs executables, and it will allow all the necessary dependencies such as updates or any applications that Notion needs to invoke on macOS workstation, so there are no disruptions for users and applications don't break when the new versions are released. Right now, if I navigate to my macOS workstation after the rule is applied and I try to launch Notion, it launches without any problems. I can register with my credentials and start using this application. If you want to learn more, navigate to idemium.com and reach out to us if you have any questions. Thank you.